You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very popular, very common name in English, one of the very classic Hebrew name, biblical name, Hebrew origin. It's pronounced in English as Jonathan. So let's break it down. Jo, not Joe. Jo, ne, a schwa sound, not an a, so it's not Jonathan. Jonathan, another schwa. Th with your tongue between your teeth. Stress on the first syllable. How to pronounce in English, classic English pronunciation. Jonathan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.